SOA exam P practice question number 44. The minimum force required to break a certain type of rope is normally distributed with a mean of 14,358 and a standard deviation of 50. A random sample of 300 ropes of this type is selected. Calculate the approximate probability that at least 255 of the selected ropes will not break under a force of 14,300. Let's take a look at the solution. Let X be the minimum force required to break the rope. The probability that the rope will not break requires the minimum force to be above 14,300. And we need to get the probability of that. X follows a normal distribution. So in order to get this probability, we transform into standard normal. 14,300 minus the mean 14,358 and then over the standard deviation 50. We need to get the probability that Z is greater than or equals minus 1.16. We have Z equals 1.16. The corresponding probability is 0.877. And this is for the probability that Z is less than 1.16. We need to get the probability that Z is greater than or equals minus 1.16. Due to symmetry, the probability also equals 0.877. And then we let Y be the number of ropes out of the 300 selected ropes that will not break under a force of 14,300. The random variable Y follows a binomial distribution with N equals 300, and the probability P is 0.877. We need to get the probability that Y is greater than or equals 255. Here we use the normal approximation. We need to get the mean and the variance of Y. The mean of a binomial distribution equals N times P, and the variance equals N times P times 1 minus P. And we have N equals 300 and P equals 0.877. We get the mean 263.1, and the variance is 32.3613. Y is approximately normal with mean 263.1 and variance 32.3613. We calculate the probability that Y is greater than or equals 255. Convert into standard normal. Here we apply the continuity correction. So we get the probability that Z is greater than or equals to 254.5 minus the mean and then over the standard deviation. We need to get the probability that Z is greater than or equals minus 1.51. From the standard normal table, we get the entry 0.9345 corresponds to the Z value 1.51. This is phi of 1.51. And therefore, the probability that Z is greater than or equals minus 1.51 also equals 0.9345 due to symmetry. And this is the answer for the desired probability. The probability that at least 255 of the selected ropes out of 300 will not break under a force of 14,300